By the way, when's the last time you guys cleaned the steam one, that tip? I haven't done it in a while, so I'm going to show you how to do it this morning. So once you open up your tool tray, and you guys are going to see this machine right here. Looks something like this. So if you're curious what this is, you're going to see that this sharp tip on the top and this square thing on the middle. So like this tool, put inside and twist. Just take it out. And then let's go to sink and clean this. Just make sure clean. I like to use the green pad to clean the whole thing. And if you see, I have this old milk residue. I hope you can see it right there. I like to scrape out. If you don't, it's gonna be stuck there for a long time. I mean, if you have to use knife, do so. Like this. Don't forget to use these tools to go inside, clean it. And after that, just simply put back in. You should use the tool to tighten, and that's it. Now, so now this is all ready to go for next time you use. You find this video useful. If you like it, join us, join my channel, and see you guys next time.